So it's January 31st, 2014, and we have a blizzard warning. So I think it would be pretty cool here to show you guys Colorado Springs blizzards. Now basically what I'm doing is I left work early today because they are not letting us loose, which I wish they did. But the snow's coming down really thick, really fast. Here in Colorado Springs, we usually do get, pretty bad weather sometimes. I mean, besides the fires, we usually will get like bad rainstorms. We had some flooding. But this is crazy. You can't even see the mountains. Pikes Peak, Colorado Springs mountains. And I heard there's accidents all over town. Whoa, actually I just slid right there. Ooh, slide caught on tape. Anyways, I don't want my videos to be too boring for you guys. Because that wouldn't be any fun now, would it? But knowing that I just slid like that, that's not cool. Because that means it's worse than I think. Well, we'll see what happens. We even have security over here where I work. Oh, there's some vehicles already down. I'm not excited to drive home, I'll tell you that. There's a vehicle down on the other side of the road. It's coming down. Most jobs will let you go home early, but no. No, it's okay. I get to use sick time. So what I'm going to do is I'll probably videotape a few things for you guys just to show you our Colorado blizzards. But I just skid again a little bit if you didn't see it. But I can tell that people are probably on the side of the roads, and I don't want to be one of them. But hopefully I'll get something good on tape for you guys. See how things go. Can you see the roads? It doesn't look like it, but it's like black ice and soft snow and mush. Hey everybody, that's where I go to school. Over there in the corner of Jamboree and Chapel Hills. I go to school at American National University. It's my school. So, maybe I should go to film class. That'd probably be cooler, right? Well, I think I'll go ahead and make a cut right here, and I'll videotape a little bit more. If we get a little bit more action going on, maybe we'll catch something on tape. Nobody gets hurt, of course. Hey, by the way, that's the mall. Can you see it? Oh, yeah. How fast am I going? Oh, not going too fast. Look at that, guys. I'm at almost 100,000 miles on my car. Anybody want to give me a car? Ooh, big snow plot right down there. Oh, man, it's worse over here. Look at this. All this mud and grime. Oh, the car just peeled out behind me. Oh, I didn't catch it. Okay, well, I'm not going to be one of those people. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see what else I can get you here in a little bit. Down a hill, which is very well known for lots of car accidents. And hey, look at Mr. Speeder right there. You gonna wipe out, boy? And that's exactly why, because of people like that. Right in the middle of the lanes, because you don't know how to drive. But me, I'm going a rough 20 miles an hour, because this road right here is known to have ice, and for car accidents to happen. You know, it'd be pretty messed up if I get to the bottom of this hill, and this guy wiped out. Well, it doesn't look like it's snowing that bad right here, because it's been a little bit. I've been driving really slow. But here comes the hill right here, guys. Let's see if anything's down there. You guys ready? I see brake lights. No, I'm just messing with you guys. So anyways, here we are. And yes, indeed, we see some things going on. Now, I'm slowing down here because I do see that there is a car accident or stall over here in the corner. And it looks like this truck can't get up the hill. Good news is I'm not sliding. There are some stalls over there on the other side. It's more harder to get up the hill than it is to get down, that's for sure. Look at that car stuck over there. He's trying to get out of it. Hope he does, or else he's going to have to turn back. He's got a really nice Ford Fusion. So now I know how Ford Fusions are in the winter. And actually, that's what I wanted. In all honesty, everybody, that's really what I wanted, was a Ford Fusion Sport. But now I can see that they don't do good in winter. Now I'm going to have to cut over here a little bit. Oh, another car got stalled. Look at that. See, everybody gets stalled right here before there's car accidents right here. This is like the bad area of town. Woo! Uh-oh. I'm caught right in the middle of the street. Oh no, red light. Ah! Look at, stalled. Stuck right there. Can't move. That red car couldn't move. You know, thank God nobody's really in a serious accident down here. But as this blizzard goes on tonight, it's just going to get worse and worse. Sorry guys, I know my video isn't as entertaining as some of those crash compilations, but just kind of wanted you guys to see what it looks like to drive in Colorado Springs blizzards. For now, Patrick Romero is out. If I catch anything else, this video will continue. You guys have a great year.